Charlene, Nadine P. Olmillo from BSN 1B. Now I am going to discuss the eukaryotic cell. First, I am going to explain what is cell. So, what is cell? Cell is the smallest unit of an organism. All cells has three things in common. So these are the cells. There are three things in common. The cell membrane, which separates the inside of the cell from its environment. The cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid. Then, the DNA, which is the cell's genetic materials. They are in common no matter what type of cell they are, either a eukaryotic cell or prokaryotic cell. So, let's begin with eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell contains organelles or small organs. They do have nucleus, which is the control center of the cell, or brain. Brain because it is responsible for the functions of the cell. So, what are organelles or small organ? Organelles means little organ. Organelles are a specialized part of the cell that has a unique job to perform. Nucleus contains DNA. This is the DNA, or genetic materials. It dictates what cell is going to do. Chromatin is the tangled, spread out form of DNA found inside the nuclear membrane. When a cell is ready to divide, condenses into structures known as chromosomes. These are the chromosomes. The nucleus also contains nucleolus, which is the structures where ribosomes are made. These dots are the ribosomes. After ribosomes leaves the nucleus, they will have an important job making proteins. Ribosomes and the rest of the organelles float around the cytoplasm outside of the nucleus. These are the ribosomes. They will float around the cytoplasm of the nucleus. Ribosomes may wander freely with the cytoplasm or attached to the ER. This is the cytoplasm. There are two types of ER, or endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes attached to it, while smooth endoplasmic reticulum doesn't have ribosomes attached to it. Endoplasmic reticulum is an enclosed passageway of transporting materials, such as protein. So, this is the protein, synthesized by the ribosomes. Protein and other materials merge from the endoplasmic reticulum in small vesicles. These are the vesicles, where like Golgi apparatus receives them. As protein moves through Golgi body, they're customized in forms that a cell can use. It's molding the apparatus into usable shapes or adding other material onto them, such as lipid. So this is the lipid. Or carbohydrates. This is the carbohydrates. Eukaryotic cell can be a plant cell or an animal cell. Let's proceed to the animal cell. Animal cell has lysosome, the garbage collector that takes damage to worn out cell parts. They are filled with enzymes that break down the cellular debris. As you can observe, cellular debris is slowly fading. The Mitochondrion is an organelle that is the house for both animal and plant cell. During a cellular respiration, the mitochondrion make ATP molecules that provide the energy for all of the cell activities. Cells that need more energy have more mitochondria. Cytoskeleton maintains the shape of the cell. It includes the thread-like microfilaments. So this is the microfilaments, which are made of protein, and microtubules, which are the thin, hollow tubes. These are the microtubules. Then, let's proceed to plant cell. Plant cell captures sunlight for energy. Plant cell with an organelle called chloroplast. So this is the chloroplast. The chloroplast is where photosynthesis happens. It's green because it has a green pigment called chlorophyll. And these are the chlorophyll. Plant cells also have a cell wall outside the membranes that shape, support, and protect the plant cell. So this is the cell wall and the cell membrane. This one is not a nucleus. It is a large central vacuole. Animal cell doesn't have a cell wall. There are many other unique structures that only some cells have, just like flagella. A flagella is just like a little tail, makes a cell move. The only human cell has a flagella is a sperm cell. So this is the sperm cell. And that ends my video presentation. Thank you for watching.